Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Disk Cleanup. Type Disk Cleanup in Start or Run Cleanger. This gets you directly into the utility. Choose the drive you want to clean, usually C, and click OK so Windows can analyze files. Once done, the app lists categories like temporary files, recycle bin, and thumbnails. These show estimated space freed. Make sure to let the scan finish before selecting options, because the accuracy of what you remove depends on that initial analysis. Next, review and pick what to remove so you control results. Click Cleanup System Files to include Windows Update Cleanup and previous Windows installations. This step often frees the most space. Once the list updates, check boxes for temporary files, recycle bin, and thumbnails, but leave anything you still need unchecked. If unsure about Windows Update or previous Windows installations, consider backing up first. Otherwise, proceed. The reason is that system-level items can't finally confirm and execute the cleanup. Click OK, then delete files to permanently remove the selected items. You'll see progress. Larger deletions can take several minutes. Once finished, consider enabling Storage Sense for ongoing maintenance so you avoid manual steps. If disk cleanup fails or shows errors, reboot and run disk cleanup as administrator and make sure Windows Update isn't running. If problems persist, run DISM and SFC to repair system files. This often resolves errors that block cleanup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.